Hey you guys, it's Denise, and today I am 22 weeks pregnant, and I bought this fetal Doppler, so I wanted to try it out with you guys on camera, so that way you guys could see and maybe hear the baby moving. 22 weeks, and this is how my stomach looks sitting down right now. So it's out there now. It actually popped out, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to show you guys the Doppler, and this is it. I think they have pink and blue. I just got the blue because the pink was sold out, but they have a lot of different ones, and this one was $39.99, and I got it off of Amazon. So you just turn it on, and it comes with a little bit of gel, but I already ran out of the gel. So I could use aloe vera gel, but I think I'm just going to use some oil. This is what I have next to me. Is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Dry Fragrance Oil. It really smells good. Alright, so this is how it looks when I'm laying down. And I'm just going to spray some oil on my belly. I have a weird belly button from having a previous tummy tuck. Okay, I just want to put some oil on it so it could be a little slippery. And turn this on again. So when you touch it, it automatically makes noise. It's basically just like the ones at the doctor's office. Because the one at the doctor's office looks just like this to me. So I don't hear anything. Now I hear something. That sound, that's the baby. So I could hear it just a little bit. I want to hear it really good though. Let me put this over here. I think it just moved. I can't really feel it move, but when this thing makes this little noise, it reminds me of the noise at the doctor's, and I think that the kid just moved. Moved. just moved. See, I can't actually feel it moving. I don't see it moving. I can't feel it moving. But I can tell it's moving by this extra little meow noise that the Doppler is making. So yeah, I always just put the little, like, instrument down here. Because up here, it's not gonna, it doesn't do anything. And then up here, that's like my own heartbeat. Yeah, so that's how that works. So the baby's in there and moving. I was supposed to have a doctor's appointment today, but they called me and rescheduled it because they were having a plumbing issue. So now I'm not going to go back until next week. So I just wanted to show you guys how my belly was looking and let you guys hear the baby on the Doppler. And this is how my belly looks at 22 weeks. It's out there now. We out cheer. So that's it. 22-week update. I will chat with you guys in my next update. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a great day.